Okay guys, welcome back. In this video, this will be a pretty short one. I want to show you how you evaluate a logarithm. There's a couple of ways you can do this. One would be by hand. 4 to what power is 64? That's what that would mean. Or do it with a calculator. So, well, we know 4 squared is 16 times 4 is 64, so it is 4. But let's go to the calculator and see what we get. And how do you do this? Well, in your calculator, if you go to your math menu and scroll all the way down, there's something called log base. And they're asking me for log base 4 of 64. I said it was 4. Actually, I think it's 3. Yeah, log base 4 of 64 is 3 because 4 to the third is 64. So that's the answer they want. But if you don't have that calculator, good news, watch this. If you're in Desmos and you start typing in the word log, notice it changes the font. And then if you'll go shift, like the hyphen, I guess that, yeah, underscore, and then put in your 4, arrow back up, and put your 64, it evaluates it for you in here too. So everybody can do this and has a computer, because Desmos is free. So that's how you would evaluate that logarithm. All right, so all they want here is a 3. All right. Pretty easy. All right, and let's see if there's a harder one. There's not. 4 to what power gives you 4? It's 1. Okay, so anyway, let's go back out and find a better problem than this. I got in our data set. There's oh, that's all there is of those. Okay, so that's it for those. I'll see you in the next one. We'll talk about logarithmic forms.